Okay folks, welcome to the personal property tour for 30 Argyle Street in St Andrews. It is an amazing 3-bedroom townhouse, beautiful storm up to the front. It is currently run as a very successful serviced accommodation, so it has a licence already and it's ready to go for anybody who wants to pick up. It could be a perfect family home or it could be another perfect investment property for you. The great thing about the location, it's very central. There's South Street, access into the High Street and South Street right now. Market Street's obviously in between, parallel to that, and then you've got North Street as well. So you've got access into all the cafes, bistros and restaurants. You can go further down into, there's St Leonard's down there, there's a university in there as well, and there's also access into the East Sands, round the corner as well, the Old Course and the West Sands overall. You can get up to the side to get to the rear garden. There's a couple of storage areas up there, and I'll tell you about that towards the end, but this is the property right here. Beautiful stonework to the front, as you'll see. And we'll go in and have a look inside. Okay, so I'm going to work from bottom to top. So immediately as I walk into the side here, into the left-hand side, into the main sitting room, you can see it's nice and spacious. You've got that log burner over there as well, nice and toasty. This is very warm in here. I think that's the great thing about these properties. They're actually very, very warm at any time of year. Love these floors. All nice and stripped. Now understairs storage as well, and then you go into a dining kitchen, which is another big plus for these types of properties, to have your own dining kitchen. So you can see the sink, you've got a slimline dishwasher, you've got your washing machine, you've got your hob and oven below, plenty of cupboard space all the way around, and into that corner right there you've got an integrated fridge and freezer. But look at this seating area. That's a big space. As we go back down, let's have a wee look in here from this angle. As I said, that log burner there will keep it nice and cosy. Has central heating anyway. Now let's go up to the first floor. So on the first floor you've got 2 double bedrooms, you've got the shower room, and then at the upper floor you've got the double bedroom up there as well, which is huge inside. Off to my left-hand side, my right-hand side first of all. Got the first of the double bedrooms. Now the great thing about that is if you just see that, there's a light tunnel right there. Brings in a lot of natural light in here. I'm convinced that that bed's probably a king size, maybe even a super king. So it is, you know, you can show you the space in here. And then you've got a window there, over there as well. And then space for freestanding furniture. And a press in that cupboard over there. Shower room, so good sized shower, rainfall shower overhead. As you'll see, you've got your sink and your WC in there. And then before we go up there, look at that metal spiral staircase. We're going to go up there in a minute. Let's go into the double room at the front here. There's a nice wee bonus for this double bedroom. What I like about it is, as I come round here, you can see it's got plenty of space again. As we come round, but you've got a walk-in wardrobe area, or possibly even an office, a wee home office area, or a study area for anybody. That's just a freestanding cupboard there, but you could easily get all your stuff in there. So an internal cupboard, I suppose, but could be converted to a wee office study area, but because there's plenty of space over here as well to have freestanding furniture. And then double glazed traditional sash and case windows to the front. They're all newly refurbished. Okay, so up the metal spiral staircase as we come up to the main bedroom up the top. This is a big bedroom. Immediately you can notice, nice and bright. That's what I like about it up here. Nice and peaceful as well, actually. So it's a huge space. You've got a seating area over there as well. See that? And then if you go further in, you can actually see there it goes all the way round to that other side. Brilliant, isn't it? See, out there. That's his windows to the front. Okay, I'll see you downstairs. Okay, so let's pop round up that pend and have a look at the storage areas to the rear. So here we are here. Now, one of the things I like about St Andrews, it's got these wee nooks and crannies that you can go up, and you never know where it's going to take you, but you'd be surprised. It gets you to everything really quickly. So we go through here. There's a communal path to the side as we walk through. And then that wash house there, that's a communal wash house between the people in these buildings and yourself. So there's communal wash house there as well, and you've even got your own, what is effectively the original coal cellar area. So you've got another storage area in there as well. So probably for bikes and stuff. So for bikes and storage and everything like that, externally you've got that over there. You've got a fantastic property inside, over 3 levels, 3 double bedrooms. You can see that big open plan, the living room going into the actual dining kitchen to the rear as well. Central for St Andrews. It's right off the South Street and Market Street and round the corner and North Street as well. Easy access into all the amenities, all the cafes, bistros and restaurants, the golf course, the beach, the open water swimming, the university, the private education from St Leonard's, secondary education from Madras, local primary school as well. So what more could you ask for? Perfect investment property, perfect family property as well, family home as well. If you need more information, you can click on the link above or below in this post for further details. If you want to see the photographs and descriptions and find out more. If you need to contact us, you can message direct on this post, or you can contact us on 01 334 65 42 21. Until next time guys, I'm Jim Parker for Fife Properties TV.